Hey guys. So when you have an assignment that has the flashcards link on it, so here, let's go to this, and you click on flashcards monster, it brings you here. And if I tell you one day I want you to work on addition, you click here, subtraction here, you get the idea. Now, each level goes from, or I should say each set goes from 1 to 7. 1 is the easiest, 7 is the hardest. So maybe I'm like, I think I'm okay with subtraction, so I'll start at level 4. And it's how many you can solve in 2 minutes. So when I say do 2 rounds, I mean try to see how many you can solve in 2 minutes twice. So I click start, it counts down, and then I begin answering questions. I type in the numbers and I click enter. Keep going. You get the idea, okay? Now again, if I wanted to try it again, it brings me back to this page. I could go to subtraction and I could choose, I want to see if I could beat my score in level 4, or maybe level 4 was too easy, I'll try level 5, or maybe level 4 was a little tough and I want to go back to 3, okay? It's whatever you would like. What's important, all that's important is that you do your best so you practice your skills, okay? I hope this helps.